Hey, this is Bob, and today we're going to go over this LED grow light, which is portable. It can clamp right to a desk. It's great for a personal plant or maybe even a couple of plants, either at work, at your desk. It'll keep them growing. Now, these have bendable lights, so I can bend them in any direction. This is the clamp for the desk or tabletop. It's got a nice wide opening. And then the lights themselves you can place and you can bend them to whatever area that you want to. And see, here's the LEDs in here. And there's IR ones or infrared ones as well as ultraviolet ones. And it helps grow whatever plants you're wanting to grow. Now, on the attached to the clamp here are the wires themselves, which are connected to the switch device. And the switch device here will allow me to go, I can do a left, right light, both lights. I've got a timer. I also have a dimmer. It has like a couple of different settings on here for light intensity on this. So let's see, what else? Here we go. It plugs into, it's got a pretty long cord, but it's basically it's a USB connection, and it plugs in right into this little AC adapter, and all you have to do is plug this AC adapter into your AC. So without further ado, let's go out and give it a whirl and show you exactly how it works. Okay, first we need to clamp this to the table. So I'm going to go ahead and depress the clamp, and it's a little bit hard to do. Then place that on the table, and now we're going to adjust the lights themselves. Let me pull this plant up a little bit closer, and we'll just adjust this out pretty much how we want to do it. Now we're going to take the AC adapter and we're going to plug it into the cord, and then plug that into an outlet. Now next up we have the switch. Now the switch will turn the right side on, or the A light on, then the B light, and then press it again, you get both lights. Now next up we have the dimmer switch. There's 4 levels of brightness, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So you can pretty much put it as bright or as dim as you want. Then we also have a timer on this switch. It's at the very bottom. You press it once, that's for 3 hours. Press it again if you want 6 hours. And once again if you want 12 hours. So this automatically will shut off after 12 hours, or automatically shut off after 3 hours or 6 hours, or you can leave it on all the time. Once again, this is the LED grow light, and you can use it to grow any plant that you want. Today we are looking at the new 60-watt full-spectrum grow lamp by Ankace. The package contains a grow light with a dual-head gooseneck and 3-switch mode controller, 2 replaceable LED bulbs, and instructions. Simply clamp the lamp to a table or desk, position the lights with the gooseneck arms, screw in the replaceable bulbs, and plug the cord into the power source. These grow lights use a full wavelength spectrum from 380 nm to 800 nm, just like natural sunlight, which gives essential help to photosynthesis, healthy leaves, and plant growth, as well as stimulates cell elongation and helps plants to germinate, blossom, and fruit. Use them one at a time or together. The buttons on the controller are well marked. Turn on the right, left, or both lights with the on-off rockers. Each gooseneck is adjustable and the bulbs house multiple rows of replaceable LEDs. The bulbs use an aviation-grade heatsink powered by the control unit to dissipate the heat generated by the lamp, giving it an enviable lifespan plus lower maintenance costs. Please keep enough water in the soil when using any grow light. This has been a demo of the 60-watt full-spectrum grow lamp by Ankace.
interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.